welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making teriyaki salmon. Pan-fried salmon is coated with a sweet and salty teriyaki sauce. It is a popular item at Japanese restaurants in the US and it's almost always on the menu. Ingredients are really simple. All you need is fresh salmon fillet and some typical Japanese pantry ingredients. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Let's get started. Sprinkle some salt over salmon fillets on both sides. Mix all the ingredients of the sauce in a bowl. Soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, cornstarch, and water. And set aside. Heat oil in a frying pan at medium heat and place salmon fillets. And cook one side for about 3 minutes. Turn over and cook another couple of minutes on the other side. Pour the sauce mixture over the salmon and reduce until thickened. The sauce in this recipe is more American styled, a little on the sweeter side, and it goes deliciously with steamed rice and other Japanese side dishes. This simple teriyaki is done in a matter of 10 minutes, and it's a lot cheaper than eating at a restaurant. Try this for dinner soon.
美味しいね。